highly recommend, because you are folding so many petals, that if you want to do it while you're watching TV on your lap, get yourself a bucket or a bag or something and some little rubber bands. You do not need any clips for this. You just need rubber bands and something flat to put on your lap to fold them, okay? So the petal, this is the feather petal. We're going to use curl up, okay? Turn it into a diamond shape, factory edge, top left, bottom right. I am bringing the top corner down to the bottom corner. Now this roll is 10.5 inches wide. That doesn't matter for this petal. Cut it at 10 for this petal. You'll get more pieces out of the mesh as well, because it does not need to be a perfect square, okay? So you can see my edges are not meeting the factory edges. That is not a big deal. Just match your corner to your corner, make a triangle, okay? Then I'm gonna take my right corner and bring it over and meet up the edge here. So this edge is meeting up with this edge. All right, you kind of got that Star Trek shape, right? Now, for this petal, you want to make sure your open edge, this is your open edge, okay? Every petal, you want your open edge on the same side. And if you do it like me and do every petal the exact same way, you'll always have the open edge. So I have my right corner, brought it over to the left side. Okay, we got that Star Trek shape. I'm now going to bring the open side over and line it up again along this edge. Okay. Flip that. So it kind of looks like a shoe right now. All right, and then I'm bringing it, just holding the middle there. Why we flipped it over, why I flipped this over, is I wanted to find the exact middle of the exact center of this Star Trek piece, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch, so pinch, pinch, bring it in, pinch, bring that in. Make sure the two tails are the exact same length when you bring them in, so you can adjust it. Okay, and this is what you have. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to put it on my cutting mat, and I'm going to rubber band right from the bottom tip here to the 2-inch mark. So my fingers are just above, so I'm going to put the rubber band right in front of my fingers. Okay? This is the back side. And now we have this kind of, looks like a feather. I'm just going to kind of open it. And that is our petal. And if you fold it the same every single time, your edges, your open edges, will go the same way every time. Because when we put this petal in, we're going to tuck this edge kind of into the open edge. So they all go around and fit really nice, but really full. Okay, so now I'm going to take my petal, and right where the rubber band is, I'm going to put it all the way into my zip tie. Open. So I opened the, first you're going to have this little like protrusion here. I just kind of push that little protrusion to the side because it's going to sit right on the board. All right, and then we'll open that, and then we're going to do the zip tie up right where the rubber band is. And if you measure where the rubber band is, your length of your petals will be the same every time.